my name is Aiza. As you know, Mohanam is coming. Today I am going to show you the Sharbat recipe. Need half liter milk and chopped dry fruits and strawberry syrup and sugar and sabja seeds. Now we need 3 tablespoons strawberry syrup and put it in the milk. Add sugar according to your taste. Add dry fruits to your milk. Eat. Seeds. Put some sabja seeds. Now give a good mix. Sharbat in the glass. Some more dry fruits. Add little more strawberry syrup. Sharbat is ready. Let's taste it. Very tasty. Try this recipe and let me know how it tastes.